Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Now we need to show you about the toy one by one, step by step. Okay, let's start. Yeah, this excavator yellow color. Wow. Oh, excavator. Okay, keep up. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. This. Wow, DumpTruck. Okay, DumpTruck. Yellow color. Okay, keep it. Yeah. Oh, this one. Wow, forklift. Yes. Forklift. Blue and red color. Yes. Jean. Okay, keep. This one. Tractor. Yeah. Okay. This one more. Wow, helicopter. Yeah. Excavator. Loading helicopter. No. Okay. Wow. Excavator heavy. Excavator can use a rock and crane. Yes. Yellow color. Near in the mountain. I see in mountain. Yes. Keep. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. This the Robin truck. Yeah. It's nice time. I see the midnight. Bring the Robin by home. Okay. Keep. Yeah. Train many country have. Yeah. This land truck. Wow. Green color. Yes. Green color. Yeah. Gasoline truck. Wow. Bring the gasoline. The gas station. No, I see it. Yeah. Wow. Train, one more train. Okay. Keep up. Yes. Wow. Alicapter blue color. Have two. Yeah, keep here. Last one. Wow. Super truck. Wow. You see? Oh. Wow. Very good. Big truck. Land truck. Wow. Ooh. Yes, keep. Wow. So many toys here. Yes. Okay. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.